What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to check your recently watched and liked reels on Instagram. First, let's talk about recently watched reels. If you've just watched a reel and want to find it again, Instagram provides a simple but limited way to go back. Open the Instagram app and tap on the Reels section at the bottom of the screen. As long as you haven't closed the app or spent a significant amount of time scrolling up, you can swipe down in the Reels feed to revisit previously watched reels. This works for recent reels you've seen in the current session, but if it's been a while, this method won't help. If you want to find a reel you watched and commented on, this is where things get more specific. Let's say you left a comment on a reel, but you didn't save or like it. To find it again, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the three lines in the top right corner. From the menu, select Your Activity. Once on the Your Activity page, under the Interactions tab, choose Comments. Here, you will see a list of all the posts, including reels, where you left a comment. Scroll through and locate the reel you're looking for and rewatch it. Now, let's talk about liked reels. If you've liked a reel and want to find it again, start by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner and select Your Activity. In the Your Activity menu, tap Interactions and then Likes. This section displays all of the posts you've liked, including reels. Scroll through the list of the reel you liked and want to rewatch. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.